So this is how to fix Google app not working on my phone. So it's so great to um to be in the new year. So I wish you guys a happy new year. So let's really start. So if you're having an Android phone or iOS device, I mean the iPhone, and you are facing this problem, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to launch your settings app. So you tap on the settings app when you find it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification or apps and preference where you can find all your apps. So after tapping on it, you have to wait for it to load for some while. So after that, tap on app list or apps or see your apps. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is you have to wait for the apps to load. So after loading, I have a lot of apps over here. So when I'm trying to search like this, it's going to be it's going to take a lot of time. So let's tap over here to search for Google. So after searching for Google, then you tap on the Google app. So what you have to first note is the notifications. Make sure it's still good on. So after doing this, go auto to mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is really on. After that, then you check the permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed, as you can see. After that, tap on storage and cache, then you clear the cache. After that, tap to tap on the force stop. After that, what you have to do again is to go back to your phone menu and go to your Google Play Store. To tap on the Google Play Store. After tapping on the Google Play Store, you have to searching for Google app, then you tap on the Google app and find it. What you have to do next is to tap on update. Tap on this. Do you get me? So let's tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to say pending. So you have to wait. It's going to move from pending to 0%. So when it's moved from 0%, then you are going to see that it's going to load from 0 to 100. After getting to 100%, you're going to install, it's going to download and install successfully on your device. So as you can see, it's moving and it's now around 20. So guys, after loading, you're going to see it saying open and uninstall. So don't tap on open this, tap on power button for some while, tap on the restart or reboot, then you tap on OK to restart the device, and after restarting it, you're going to work perfectly. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends on other social media platform who are facing the same problem. See you in the next one. Bye.